Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your account on the Ikea application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and tap on the profile icon down below, which is the third option. Now go to the manage account section and tap on account settings. Now as you can see, there is a delete account button. Tap on it and tap on the go to delete account button. Now you will be directed to a page where you can end this process. You need to add your password, thereby confirming to delete your account. Then press the button delete my account at the bottom of the screen. Tap on open. So now your account has been deleted. As you can see, you are able to sign up again or log in with another account if you have any. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.